This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Benvenuto Restaurant in Milford.
How many times have you been out to eat and struggled to decide what to order from the menu? You could be sitting there thinking maybe a juicy steak would be nice, or perhaps a succulent piece of seafood. How about some lobster? But when you head into Benvenuto Restaurant, there's an even better option.
That's right. You can get both when you stop in and see this guy. Chef Zeus joins us in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen, and boy, are we in for a treat today, aren't we?
Yes, we are. So today, now look, it's spring, summer now, right? And our spring, summer menu is here. So this is one of our more popular dishes on this new menu. So this is our twin top fillets. All right, so you see our beautiful fillets here. These are hand cut, and these are 5 ounces each. All right, so you're getting 10 ounces of our prime beef here. Now, we're gonna, of course, season this with salt, and don't be afraid. All right, I just kind of pat it in a little bit. We're gonna use just a little bit of pepper. We don't want this to burn. All right, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, now, this is the first thing, but one of the things, I mean, look, everybody kind of knows how to eat a steak at home, right? So, you know, and how to cook a steak. All right, so we're gonna just do what everybody else does. All right, we're gonna get these fillets going. All right, now at the restaurant, we use something called a plancha, which is a flat top. All right, super, super hot. And what we do is we sear all of our steaks, and then we finish them in the oven. We're gonna kind of do that here. But one thing I want to really talk about here is what we're going to do with this guy today. All right. So these fillets, obviously, as we said, they're topped differently. One is going to get topped with a lobster,
Okay.
all right, which broiled lobster tail. All right, and it's going to be topped with this garlic butter here.
Ooh.
The other one, the other one's going to be topped with some fresh Maryland lump crab. That's what you have. Probably came from around a corner somewhere. All right. But on top of this crab is going to be what's called a sauce béarnaise. And that's one of the things I really want to show our viewers at home is how to make this sauce.
Kind of scary for most people,
You
right?
know, maybe. I mean, I know people are like, oh, I don't know, it's a lot of work. You have to get your double boiler going, which is your water, your bowl, your egg yolks. You have to emulsify everything. You have to cook your wine and all that stuff. But this is a very simple way to do it, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Okay, so we're going to let these guys go, and I'm going to talk about this a little bit. So what we do here is we separate our egg yolks from our egg whites. What I have here is white wine, vinegar that has been infused with shallot, black peppercorn, and fresh tarragon. We bring it to a boil, we let it reduce slightly, we let it cool, then we strain it, okay? And then I have here our clarified butter, and we have our egg yolks. All right, so what's going to happen is egg yolks are going to go in here. Our wine mixture is going to go in here as well. We're going to pulse that, and then we're slowly going to stream this butter into it. And what's going to happen is this here is going to emulsify. Okay, so the sheer heat from this butter and the high, because it's, you know, it's going to create,
Right.
all right, those two combine, the sheer heat from that is going to literally cook the eggs, okay, and emulsify this sauce into this amazing, creamy deliciousness. So let's see. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to finish searing these guys off.
Okay.
We're going to put these in the oven. The lobster's in the oven. We're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, we're going to whip this sauce up and put it all together, and it's going to be absolutely amazing.
As it always is. Stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.
This segment of DelmarvaLife is sponsored by Benvenuto Restaurant in Milford.
During the break, we finished our fillets and our lobster, but we've also got a secret sauce to share. Chef Zeus from Benvenuto Restaurant is in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen with a bonus lesson on béarnaise sauce.
Yes, yes. So you know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to switch
Okay.
with you. We're going to have you hang over here with Steve.
Hey, Steve.
Oh, hi.
All right. So now watch how easy this is, okay?
Okay.
So I believe that our steak should be ready.
Oh, look at
Okay.
that.
Oh, wow, that looks beautiful.
Look at
It
that.
does.
That looks beautiful.
Hold on.
And we got
Okay.
something else in there.
Yes, yes,
got
we
our
have our
lobster.
lobster. Okay.
Lobster lollipops.
Yes. Okay, and they're only lollipops while they're cooking because what we do is we take the tail and we just pull the meat and then we skewer it so that it holds shape so that it fits on top of the
I
lobster.
gotcha.
All right, and just be very careful because those pins are really hot.
Right.
Now, what we're going to do is we have our egg yolks in here, all right? And we're going to take some of our white wine and vinegar mixture, okay? And we're just going to, just kind of give it a quick little...
Kind of pulse it, right?
That's it. And this is like 5 seconds, okay? And that's it. Now, what we're going to do now is we're just going to season this with a little bit of salt, all right? A little bit of pepper, all right? And we're going to just put a little bit of this chopped fresh tarragon. Now remember, I already kind of infused this vinegar with tarragon, some shallots, all right? And here's what we're going to do now. We're going to turn this back on, all right? And we are going to go into mix, all right? This is our butter.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
All right, so you see how fast that was?
Yeah.
So remember, the heat from the butter, all right, and the heat from the blades, all right, are going to pretty much cook the eggs, all right, sterilize them, so to speak, and also emulsify them at the same time.
Okay.
So you wind up with this beautiful, see that?
Wow. Look at that.
Beautiful sauce. Now, if we wanted to, we could use more egg yolk, all right, and that will give us a thicker sauce. Remember, you want this to be able to sort of, you know,
Hold it soon.
yes, get it together. Now,
Yeah.
if you're doing this at home, you want to keep this between 120 and 140 degrees. All right, you want to hold it there for no more than a couple hours. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our steak.
We can
all
switch
right?
back here?
Yes,
Let you
and these look beautiful. Look.
What I do.
Oh, look
So
at
we're
that.
going to just put one here. Okay. Good sear on both sides. We're going to put another one here.
Oh, boy.
Now, what we're going to do is we are going to take one of our lollipops here, and we're just going to set that there like that. See how nice that is?
You could be done right there.
We could. We could. Now, we are also going to take some of this beautiful, all right, lump Maryland crab, and we are going to top this guy as well.
Oh, boy.
All right?
Look at that.
And this is just chilled. This isn't cooked through or anything like that, meaning we're not going to reheat it, okay? Because we want you to taste that beautiful crab, all right? That looks wonderful, okay? We have this little salad that we're going to put in the middle here, all right, to make it a little healthier, all right? See how nice that looks?
It does
All
look
right?
nice.
Now, we are going to take a little bit of this butter here, all right? And this is a garlic and herb butter that we're going to put on top. And that lobster is nice and hot, but we want to sort of help this along. So we're just going to just give this a little starter. See that? And look, you know, garlic, lobster, butter, it's going to be really nice.
Oh, wow.
And then we're going to come over here. All
get the
right.
béarnaise sauce.
Yes, so we're going to take this beautiful béarnaise sauce, and I did have a spoon.
Oh, yes,
over
you do.
here.
Right here you go.
Perfect, thank you. And you're just going to mix some of that tarragon in there, and we're just going to ladle that béarnaise sauce right over that Maryland lump crab. And there you have Benvenuto's
Wow.
twin top fillets. How
Oh my
nice
goodness,
is that?
that is
All right,
gorgeous.
okay, can you guys
I'm
see
gonna
that at home?
Scoot
Right?
you away.
I know, you have to, you have to. And look, you know, I don't know what happened to our steak knives, so I gave you some butter knives.
I think that's going to be fine.
I
think
think
so.
it's going to be
gonna be so
perfectly fine.
tender.
I can't wait for you guys to try this.
I'm going in for the lobster.
Oh, that's a
Right.
must.
I'll go in for the crab and the...
And you were saying to us off camera that you've had a wonderful Mother's Day.
Yes,
and
yes, we had an
busy.
amazing Mother's Day brunch. You know, we've become a space where, you know, everyone comes to celebrate, right? Mother's Day, weddings, rehearsal dinners, all that. How is that? Is that good?
I don't know how you can outdo yourself week after week after week, but you always do. That is incredible.
It is. It's a good dish.
I think he agrees.
I think so too. So look, if you want this, stop in. We offer a lot of different steaks. I don't know if you know this, we cut all our own steaks. We offer a 20-ounce ribeye. We offer a 30-ounce ribeye, a 40-ounce ribeye, and we also offer a tomahawk. All right. I mean, you know, and that's the way we do steak at Benvenuto. All right, all
you do
hand
steak
cut,
right.
good stuff.
Thank
Absolutely.
you so much, Chef Zeus. Benvenuto Restaurant in Milford. head out there and get some of this delicious food.